A fold-down drying rack inside a pantry gives small homes flexible, space-saving drying for delicates and linens without sacrificing storage. Design a fold-down slatted panel that mounts to a stud or with heavy-duty anchors at waist height so it clears the lower pantry shelves when folded. Use rot-resistant hardwood or powder-coated aluminum slats spaced about 1 inch apart to allow airflow and drainage while preventing snags. Pre-drill holes and use stainless steel fasteners to resist corrosion in humid conditions. For a retractable clothesline stored in a cavity, frame a shallow recessed box in an unused pantry wall and install a tension spool that pulls out to a fixed anchor point. Keep line materials like braided nylon that resist sagging and tie off with a simple cleat or locking pin. A pull-down laundry bar with locking clips works well above the pantry door or on an upper shelf face. Choose a gas spring or counterbalanced hinge sized for the bar length so it lowers smoothly and locks level for hands-free hanging. Consider a fold-out shelf with ventilation by cutting slats into a hinged panel and mounting with piano hinges, so the shelf folds flat against the wall when not in use and pivots down to provide a ventilated surface for heavier items. Add detachable hangers that clip to an existing shelf lip or to the fold-down frame so you can hang individual pieces. Choose clips with soft rubber pads to prevent fabric marks and detach them for machine washing. Always allow at least 4 to 6 inches of clearance from warm appliances or food storage, and plan airflow to prevent mildew by leaving a small gap to the pantry door or installing a low-power exhaust vent if the space is very damp. 3 common mistakes are overloading the system, poor mounting, and inadequate airflow. Overloading can cause sagging or damage, so follow the weight rating of your hardware and distribute heavier items across multiple support points, and when in doubt, add a middle support or stronger hinges. Poor mounting into drywall alone will lead to failure, so locate studs or use rated toggle anchors and test load after installation before regular use. Inadequate airflow leads to mildew and odors. Avoid sealing the pantry completely. Leave a door gap. Use slatted surfaces. And consider a small timed fan or dehumidifier for persistent humidity. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and where contractors can find work and build profiles. Our site also hosts a discussion community so users can share photos, tips, and real-world experiences about pantry conversions and drying rack installations.